Hi there, this is Jennifer with Brome Fields, and today we are going to work on a ripple knit stitch. And this dishcloth, I am using Knit Picks Dishy in Sunshine multi-colored yarn, and it comes all ready to use in a skein ball. And I'm going to make a little swatch of this. Now I cast on 14 stitches for my swatch, and it's multiples of 3. So you have a knit 2, purl 1, and that's your repeat pattern. But at the end of the border, instead of having a purl stitch, I wanted to have another cable like this first one, so I added 2 stitches. And then I just have 3 stitches to the border. So you have your 3 repeat plus 2 for the cable, and then 3 total of 6 stitches for my border. So that's where those numbers come from. It's a little confusing, but that way you know what how many to cast on. So I have already knitted a few rows, and I'm ready to do row 10. Which is the right side of the work, and it's the faux cable. And it does not require an actual cable needle. I'll bring that over here so you can see it. So we're going to knit these first 3 stitches, which is the border. You knit the first 3 stitches on every side. And then this is going to be our first quote-unquote cable, where we're going to knit these 2 stitches together, and then I'm going to spread those 2 apart, and then I'm going to knit into that first stitch, and I'm dropping both off, and that creates a little cable. So then we're going to purl 1 and then do it again, knit 2 together plus 1, so it's knitting into that first stitch. So one more time, we're going to knit 2 together, knit into that first stitch, and then knit our last 3 stitches, which is our border. And that gives us our little cable. So I'm going to go ahead and do, it's a let's see, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4 row repeat. So we're going to do row 7 again. So this is the first row of the repeat. So I'm knitting the first 3 stitches, and then we're going to purl 2, knit 1. So we're knitting the knits and purling the purls. Purl 2, knit 1. Purl 2, and then the last 3 stitches are our border. So we'll knit those 3 stitches. And that is bringing them all together. So you can see it's a cable without actually doing a cable. And it's really very pretty. I am impressed. I love the color of this yarn. It's kind of stripy, but not consistently. So it's just very pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's dishcloth stitch, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Thank you so much for watching.